Alright, my people, welcome back. Big up on yourself. All of the supporters, them enough respect all the while. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing go. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, just subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell. So each time we post a video, you get it straight on. Yeah. So say. Right now we are dealing with this bathroom, some plank tile. Yeah, nice plank tile in the bathroom. Yes, man. Yeah, like work in Jamaica, Yeah, man. Gonna give them some nice design and, things like that. Yeah, so we're there up on the bathroom, to the floor. Yeah, so we have the wall, we have them couple pieces of tile left it drop. Right, I can't listen. A plank tile, so it go. So we can, not like a regular square tile where we can just cut one, do everything one time. So yes, so the shower did have to do, the wall, a lot of work. This bathroom, have been a lot of design. Yeah, so we have the tile and the doorway, the drop in. Tile out there, so a couple pieces dropping height same way. Where the thing. And it's a short bass there with we shotty there with we shotty mark. My teacher, Yeah, man, so you don't know it go. Yeah, so big up shotty mark. Enough respect. Man like Mossy. Yeah, man. Yeah, so as I say, what I try if we see if we can match up that like a work, yeah? Yeah, it's a short bass out there, so I cut some tile. Yeah, so as I say, I try to finish up that porch at the same time. Yeah. Porch I finish up. Yeah, them couple pieces of drop in and, get it out of the way. Yeah, so see what the band target. The witting. Yeah, so that was a cut out a piece there in the doorway. Yeah, this is some nice plank tile. So alright, my peoples, alright, and on the bathroom floor done. Yeah, so half tile dropping. Yeah, nice plank tile. Yeah, shot you out this one dropping the one tile that was left there, so. Yeah. As I say, everything dropping. So up and running. Yeah, so tomorrow we have a come in and do the fruit, the wall. Yeah. So the wall of the floor do. So this is where we come in now tomorrow. Yeah, get the wall out of the way. Yeah, so we're gonna use like some 24 by 40 porcelain on the wall. Yeah. So everything is basically finished now. As the floor done, as I say, wall we have to penetrate on your nose. Yeah, take that for now. So alright, my people, so right, and I'm going to say the bathroom done. So So we're going to do now. Start up the wall. Yeah, so that's how we use from the wall. Some 24 by 48. Yeah, so we have all of this wall. In this now, Mosaic are going to use this. Some mosaic on the inside. Yeah. So floor nice and sweet. Yeah, so this is the floor. You know, line up here now to touch the wall. So I'm going to line up and I'm going to go the first time. You go on that time. What do you pull out in time? We're going to the box. See your music? Go on the box? Yeah. Put back for you. Yeah, man. It's pretty funny. All of them. Just put that place.
A good coat.
Yeah.
I cut that on a plane and car. Then I cut that and say, yeah.
Yeah, so this is the first time we line up with the club. So I'm going to start rolling. This is a no.
too short one. Too short one out there. Hello, go on, you have to change it. I'm going to go get over there. Alright. Yeah, that's too pretty cool.
That's my people, son. I'm a big boy, you know. This is about my type of room, my shot. Once you do, big up yourself when you're on the door. Yeah. You know, come on, yeah. That's what you do. You man, say I love you, you got that. Once you love you. Once you love you, can't let you have once you do, please. Once you have the vibes there. I'm a little general still, no? Once you things on the galana where we see. I mean, yeah, 3 days, I mean, take over after. I said what? I mean, you have 3 days there. The boss yesterday, he don't play what is because of the total. That's a good part, man said. Right now, some people that come to find an aspect of the whole year. So, you know, so as I say, we are around some big tile, so I don't know how many people. A short bass there, I go and do the thing. Yeah. Yeah, so tile go up on wall, so as I say over this now. There's some mosaic we are running on the side there. Yeah. So the whole line I shower here, I got the mosaic. So yeah. Some pebble I go use in the shower. Yeah, so as you can see. Yeah, around the window. So this is straight block tile all the way to ceiling. Oh yeah, so man. So yeah, some nice 24 by 48 porcelain. You know, so this is how we use on the wall. So yeah, as you can see, this is how we reach with it. Yeah, so we have the window here to lock up same way. So I go around this window same way. So yes, my people, remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section. Reason with me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the job them. Yeah, so yeah, so we'll go for that. Yeah, so we'll basically tie up that door here, as you can see. Tile both upon wall. Yeah, so as I say, yes, so this is the outside view where we are looking upon. Yeah. Oi? May I come, man? See me now? You see me? You see at lunchtime. Alright, my people. So all of them grow out in a short bass, you know, I have to show them, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, so as I say, we just are going to match up the bathroom, yeah. Yeah, nice and sweet. Yeah. Nice black tile.